Hey guys, welcome back to Scanning the Mind. My name's Sanchit and I'm a psychiatry trainee.
I'm Varun, I'm a radiology trainee. What we're talking about today is what we bought with our first paycheck.
And what we wish we'd bought.
Yeah. Me and Sanchit have been doctors for what, 5 years now? Bro, we're getting
4
old.
years.
Bro, we're getting
4
old.
years. Yeah.
4 years.
It's been ages.
We're getting old. Anyway, we've been doctors for 4 years now.
Yeah.
So 4 years ago, we had our first paycheck come in, roughly 4 years ago. And when you're in med school, you're not getting paid anything.
Yeah.
All you get is your student loan and a bit if your parents can afford to help you. So when
You
you
don't
get,
have disposable income as such.
no, you have no disposable income. So when you get paid, it feels like a lot.
It's an exciting time.
Yeah, and it's a lot. It's a decent amount you get paid for your first job. I remember looking forward to that first paycheck a lot.
Yeah.
Counting them down to days.
What did you do with your first paycheck?
So yeah, I got 2,300, and being a good boy, I bought my parents some things.
Yeah.
So you know they helped me throughout med school, paid for my rent a lot of the time when I couldn't afford to, helped me out because student loan wasn't enough to keep me going for certain occasions, and I was very lucky in that. So obviously I had to buy them something. So the first thing I bought was I bought my dad some flying lessons.
Oh, mate.
Yeah, mate. A top 10 out of 10
Flying
marks.
lessons?
10 out of 10 marks for being a
Did you want to
son.
learn flying?
Oh, my dad loves planes.
Has he got a license then? A pilot's license?
No, so I bought him, I think, 5 lessons, which were a couple of hours each. After that, he just gave up.
Oh, fine.
Because they're quite expensive.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
more than half my paycheck went on that. So it wasn't something he wanted to keep spending money on.
Yeah, fair enough.
I think in an ideal world, if he had unlimited income, he probably would. But he always says that if he wasn't, he's a doctor as well. But if he wasn't a doctor, he would have been a pilot. So that was the first thing I bought. Then obviously, if I'm buying my dad something, go buy my
Can't
mum
leave your
something
mum
as
out,
well.
yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So I bought my mum a purse.
Okay.
I can't remember.
Standard.
Standard, yeah, exactly. You know, like,
standard.
what do I buy my mum?
Yeah.
And then if I'm buying my mum and my dad something, they're harsh to go home and just be like, here you go, and then not buy anything for my sister because she was at uni at the time as well. So yeah, so I bought my sister a watch.
Oh, fair enough.
So I think overall that was, along with my rent, which was about £400 a month, that was my entire paycheck just gone.
Fair enough.
And I had some left over from, I did some odd jobs over the summer.
Yeah.
I had some left over then, and that,
So you choose that to live with.
yeah, exactly. So zero savings in my first month. But,
Fair enough. You got to splash the cash.
yeah, mate, exactly. You got to be a good boy. Got to be a good Indian son, and buy your family things.
Yeah.
So now that I've told you what I bought,
Yeah.
what did you buy your parents?
I didn't buy them anything in the first month.
So you, as an Indian son, did not buy your parents anything with your first
I
paycheck.
don't think so. I can't remember buying anything.
Besharam.
So with my first paycheck, I was living alone.
Okay.
And I had moved up from London up to Leeds, so I didn't really know anyone.
Okay.
So I was spending a lot of time by myself, obviously outside of social things like nights out and stuff.
Fine.
So I bought myself a TV
Oh, big man.
because, you know, you got to have something to watch Netflix on.
What TV did you buy?
Oh, nothing special. It was just a normal like HD TV.
How big was it?
49 inches. So not like insanely big.
Bro, 49 inches?
Yeah.
That's massive.
That's what she said.
Oh, God.
It was like a couple of £100. It wasn't anything like crazy.
Okay, fine.
And then I bought myself a karaoke machine as well.
You bought yourself a karaoke machine?
Yeah, it was great.
I mean, I haven't known Sanchit that long, but I've never heard you do karaoke.
I can't sing. It's just fun. It's so good.
All right, if I said to you right now, we're doing karaoke,
Yeah.
what's your go-to song?
Oh, right now, Greatest Showman.
Never heard that.
You never watched The Greatest Showman?
What's
The
that?
movie.
What's that?
Okay, so that right now, that's my go-to.
Alright.
I'd sing something from The Greatest
If
Showman.
not The Greatest Showman, then what else? Something I might have heard of.
Anything Disney, obviously.
Okay.
Chris Brown.
Oh
A
yeah?
lot of his songs are good to sing.
So we've got Disney,
Yeah.
a musical,
Yeah.
Chris Brown.
Yeah. Jay Sean.
Which Chris Brown song are you going for?
Old school, like forever. Like proper old school. Oh, 1,000 Miles.
Okay.
A classic. Vanessa Carlton, 1,000 Miles. Have you watched White Chicks?
Yeah.
The guy
Oh.
who sings. Yeah, that.
Go, give me a few bars.
Oh no, mate, I
Go
can't.
on.
I can't. This
Alright,
is not
okay. Oh, part-time psychiatrist, full-time karaoke singer. Well, we know where you spent your first paycheck then.
Yeah. Oh, isn't that expensive?
Okay.
Comes with a karaoke box, 2 mics, and then the whole music part of it is a subscription service.
Okay.
So for a month you can pay like, I think it's $5.99, and then you can just turn it on and off whenever you want.
I did not know this about him.
It's so good. It has Bollywood songs on it, everything.
So you bought the karaoke machine.
I'll leave a link down below if anyone wants to have a look at it, because it's really not expensive. It's like 60, 70 pounds.
Anyway, whatever makes you happy, man.
Mate, it's so good. I love my karaoke machine. I love it.
So you bought a TV
Yeah.
and the karaoke machine.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what we bought with our first paychecks. Now, as with every person, there are things that you want to buy, and you probably could afford to buy them,
Yeah.
but you don't want to because it's just an absolute waste of money. Everyone has their guilty little secrets that they want to spend money on,
Yeah.
but you can't.
So what was yours then? Sounds like something you've thought about a lot.
Well, it's something I've wanted for a long time.
Okay.
Some Gucci flip-flops.
What do you mean?
Gucci flip-flops.
What was your Gucci flip-flops?
Gucci flip-flops, mate. Be a baller. Get some Gucci flip-flops. Now walk around my Gucci flip-flops.
At home?
Yeah.
What's the point?
Everywhere. I'd wear them to the shop. I'll wear them
Do
at
you have
home.
flip-flops in the shop?
Yeah, bro.
You know how cold it is outside in this country?
Yeah, but I'm wearing Gucci flip-flops.
You're not in like Dubai where you can walk around
Yeah,
in flip-flops all day.
It's fine. I'll wear some white socks.
Out of everything you could think of, that was kind of a bit out of your price bracket, but you could have kind of afforded it.
I could have afforded.
You wanted Gucci flip-flops.
Yeah, mate. Have you not heard that song?
No?
I can't repeat the lyrics, but it's a future song.
Okay. And since then you've bought, I want Gucci flip-flops.
I think because it came out the year before we graduated,
Oh, okay.
and we used to listen to it pre-drinks,
Fair enough.
and out when we were out.
Fair enough.
And obviously, I think I'm future.
I mean, you look like him.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, cheers. Thanks. Yeah, obviously, like part-time doctor, full-time rapper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you need to get some then. You could be like, what did you spend your first YouTube paycheck on? You can spend it on Gucci flip-flops.
You joke. One day I'm gonna get them. One day.
Big man things.
Exactly, mate. Well, you move up in the world, don't we? So, but the thing is, I think no matter how much I'm earning, even if I was earning millions, I would feel bad buying Gucci flip-flops because I know they're a waste of money. That's my guilty little pleasure that I'd like to buy, but I wouldn't. What's yours?
I just love anything tech. So I think back in F1, I remember wanting an iPad and an Apple Watch,
Okay.
and I couldn't really justify buying either because once you've got a laptop, no one really needs an iPad. Let's be completely honest, no one needs both things. And then an Apple Watch, at that time, I didn't think it was worth it.
How much are they?
About 300 probably? 300 pounds? It's worth it now
I
though.
can see you've got one now.
Yeah, going up in the world, mate.
Big man working there.
There was one other thing actually. I love Drake, right?
Okay. Did you do any Drake karaoke?
Oh yeah,
Go on,
but his is more rap.
Give me quick 16. Quick 16.
Quick 60.
Yeah, mate. Quick 16.
I can't.
Go on.
I genuinely don't know.
If you guys want Sanchit to drop a quick 16, comment down below.
If it gets 10,000 likes,
No,
I'll rap for you.
be reasonable. How many likes does this video have to get for you to drop a quick 16?
1,000.
1,000?
1,000 likes.
Guys, 1,000 likes, and you'll get a quick 16 from Sanchit. Go
I
on.
don't think anyone wants one. But yeah, I loved Drake growing up. Not growing up, but between like 2013 to 2017,
Yeah.
that era of Drake, and then his old mixtapes.
Okay.
And he has his own clothing line, in the OVO
Oh, yeah.
is his music label or whatever.
Sure.
So he has a really nice jumper with an owl and
Oh,
OVO,
right.
and I really wanted one of those jumpers, but they were like 150 quid, and they're shipped from Canada or America or whatever.
Yeah.
And so they're even more. So I always wanted one of those. I could just never justify spending that much on a jumper.
So you would have wanted to buy an iPad
Yeah,
and an Apple Watch.
yeah,
And you bought one of them now.
yeah. Oh, or a Drake jumper.
Or a Drake jumper, okay. I still don't understand what you do with an Apple Watch.
Oh, mate, we can make a video about it.
Please do,
I'll
because
teach you, yeah.
I honestly think it's the biggest waste of money.
I think it's easy to justify it.
Well,
I
well,
think I could convince
He'll
you.
make a video on it for you
Yeah,
guys,
yeah.
and for me.
I know a lot of people don't really understand the point of like smartwatches and stuff. They're getting a bit more popular now with Fitbit going into that kind of space and stuff, but I'd say an Apple Watch is worth it now.
Okay, fine. Sweet.
But yeah,
So now we've spoken about what we got, what we wanted to get.
yeah.
I suppose then the next obvious question is, what are you going to buy with your first consultant paycheck?
A home cinema system.
Oof,
Yeah.
good shout.
Projector screen, sound system, deck it all out.
Interesting. That's probably good. That's a good shout.
Yeah.
I can't hate on that. Normally I like to make fun of him, but I can't hate on that. Fine.
Then I hook it up to a karaoke machine.
God. So you'd okay, home cinema system. How much today, roughly?
I suppose I couldn't afford it with one paycheck.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
They're that expensive?
Well, like a projector could cost a few thousand. Yeah.
Really?
A sound system would cost a few thousand.
I did not think that.
Projector screen can cost hundreds.
So you're using your paycheck
Yeah.
plus some of your savings,
Yeah.
which you hopefully have by then.
Yeah.
But
Let's just say a projector, because that would be like 2 to 3k. And what do you get?
it's a hard question. I've not really thought about it, I'll be honest. Probably some Gucci flip-flops. At that point, I can maybe just about try and justify it.
This first £4,000 salary as a consultant, he's going to buy £200 Gucci flip-flop.
Yeah, mate.
Fair enough. That's probably more sensible than a projector screen.
Or, in fact, you know what I would buy? I'd buy some nice speakers for my house.
Oh, fine, yeah. A full-on like sound system.
Yeah.
Surround sound.
Absolutely. Like, so
But before you buy a surround system, would you not want like a really nice TV?
no. I'd rather be able to bang out loud music to very high quality
Fair enough.
and enjoy it
Fair enough.
than watch TV.
See, I'm not the complete opposite.
So we'll do another video in 5 or 6 years.
Yeah.
And we'll tell you guys what we bought.
Yeah.
That was quite a fun little video to make for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Quite thought-provoking, really.
Probably not very useful for you guys.
No.
But it's quite fun to make.
Yeah. I suppose they get an insight into what we like spending our money on.
I don't think I came across very well.
Nor did I.
Don't forget, please hit the like button
Oh, God.
so that Sanchit can drop a rap.
No one wants to hear it. I can't rap. I can't sing. At all. I enjoy it. Doesn't mean I can do it.
Lil Kapoor.
Lil Kapoor. Lil K.
Oh,
Big caps.
Why? Why? But yeah, I think your purchases were quite sensible.
Maybe this reflects on who we are as well.
Maybe.
Because yours are like stupid, but they're not that expensive.
Yeah. 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 Fine.
Like if you're earning £4 a month and you spend £200 on flip-flops, is it really that bad?
It's more the principle.
Yeah, I suppose so.
It's more the principle.
I think that's what it was with the Drake hoodie for me as well. The Drake jumper. It was more, yeah, I can afford 150 quid, but do I want to be that guy who's got a £150 jumper?
Maybe Obi wants to sponsor us.
If you're watching Drake.
Good exposure.
Yeah.
You get a few hundred views every now and then.
If you sponsor us, I'll rap a full Drake song.
Which one are you going to rap?
Anyone he wants.
Hope you guys found it relatively interesting and got to know us a bit better.
Yeah.
Comment down below what you will buy with your first paycheck.
Or what you did buy with your first
Yeah,
paycheck.
or what you did buy with your first paycheck. Apart from that, we'll see you guys next week again.
See you later.